Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to test and play out all the maps on Stumble Guys. Now it's a very easy process, let's get straight into it. Now the first thing for this to work is we need two devices to play Stumble Guys. Now it's very easy. The first device that you want to start playing on has to be the device that you start the party. Now the first step is to actually start the party. Now from here create a party in the left and change it to custom game. Now here you can change all the rounds to the selected maps that you want to play, like so. And here you can deselect them and only leave the maps in that you want to play. Now once you're done creating the games, here you create a party. Now it will create the party, and now the most important part comes in. From here you grab your other device, let's say your iPad, your computer, your laptop or your mobile phone, and here you add yourself a different account as yourself into the game. Now you place that other phone to the side and you start to press play. Now here you can just simply try out all the maps and just play as a solo, trying out the maps in Stumble Guys. Now it's a very easy process, and that's it. If this tutorials helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. But most importantly, thank you for watching.